Welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss what is meant by PN junction diode. We have learned that what is meant by PN junction, and in this video, we are going to uh, study what is meant by PN junction diode. A PN junction, when provided with metallic connectors on each side, is called PN junction diode, or simply it is known as the diode. Say this is the PN junction. When p-type material and n-type material are joined suitably, a junction is formed and it is known as the PN junction. A connector, one metallic connector is taken from p side and another metallic connector taken from n region. Then the formed device, it is termed as PN junction diode. Why it is known as the PN junction diode? It consists of a PN junction. Simply, it consists of a PN junction. And why it is known as the diode? It consists of two electrodes. One is taken from P region. It is known as anode. It is known as anode and it is denoted by A. And another is cathode. It is denoted by C, or it is also denoted by K. Therefore, PN junction diode has two electrodes. That's why it is known as the diode. And this is the symbol of diode. The symbol consists of one arrowhead and another is bar. The arrowhead represents the P region and the bar represents the N region. Means arrowhead is anode and bar is cathode. And the direction of arrowhead is shows the direction of electric current in forward bias. Now we are going to discuss what are the forward bias and reverse bias characteristics of PN junction diode. We know that what is the forward bias? When positive terminal of the PN junction, means in this case instead of positive terminal we can say that anode. Anode is connected to positive terminal of the battery and cathode is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. Then this arrangement, it is known as the forward bias. This arrangement is known as the forward bias. And we know that when the PN junction is in forward bias, the width of the depletion layer decreases and there is flow of current through it takes place. Therefore, we can say that when positive terminal is connected to, when the positive terminal of the external voltage, means battery, when the positive terminal of the external voltage is connected to anode and negative terminal is connected to cathode of the PN junction diode, this arrangement, it is known as the forward bias. And we know that in forward bias, current flows through these junction or diodes. We conclude that when the diode, PN junction diode is in forward bias, width of the depletion layer decreases, large amount of current flows through it, therefore it offers the low resistance. अगर करंट ज़्यादा फ्लो हो रहा है तो हम क्या कहते हैं, उसका रेजिस्टेंस कम है, therefore इसका रेजिस्टेंस कम है, लो रेजिस्टेंस है, एंड करंट इज हाई. If we plot the graph of current flowing through the diode with voltage applied across it, forward biasing, we get a graph or we get the relation between this current and voltage. It is known as the forward characteristics of the diode. This graph represents the forward characteristics of the diode. Say, from these forward characteristics, we can say that initially at 0.1 volt, there is no current flows through the diode. But very small amount of current flows through the diode due to the minority charge carriers. But practically, there is no current flows through it. But at a particular value of voltage, external voltage 0.7 volt for silicon diode, suddenly the current flows through the diode, and diode behaves like as a conductor. The voltage at which the current conduction is takes place, this voltage, it is known as the knee voltage. Therefore this point, it is known as the knee point, and this diagram, it is known as the forward characteristics of PN junction diode. Thank you.